So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit an image border color here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is go to the top left, press on Insert, then go to Pictures right here and add a picture to your design or to your document. So I'm going to go ahead here and press a photo right here. How about of an apple? I'll go ahead and press the apple, just an apple right here, then press on Insert. Now, once that is done, what you actually do is press on the image right here, go to the top to where it says border, picture border, and press on. If you were to press on black by default, it adds a black border. Now, for demonstration, how about I make the weight right here a little bit larger, just like that. Now, if you want to change the color right here, so as of right now it's black, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the image, go to this top here to where it says picture border, press on the drop down to get different colors. So if you wanted to make the photo with a purple background, you can press on purple, or you can press on perhaps a green background, whatever the case may be. You can kind of play around with it and go over it this way. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to edit the background color, the border color of an image here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.